Hey people, there's a Hurricane Michael here. Tropical storm. I got my battery with me in my Nana's house today. I just decided not doing the hurricane thing. The power almost went off. The utility is having problems right now. People, I might upload this video tomorrow. Maybe do so. It's tonight. Let's see what happens if I turn the fan on. Can it drop the power down to 40%? See what happens. You wait for the power goes down, people. Wait. The fan can't drop the power down. Virginia's having problem power. Okay, should blip in a minute. Just showing the tour. That's my room. This one at a time. Use this one at a time. Nothing happened yet. It should go out, drop to 40% power, and go up to 100%. Let's leave this on, see what the power is going to drop down or not. Let's go, people. Let's leave the fan on and see what it's going to do. Oh, there it goes. People, it's working. It's dropping down the power. It's dropping down. Look out there. That's what's causing the power go Danby. People, if you have no idea what's causing the power, comment below. I have no idea. Don't worry about it. Our internet's back up. It crashed. Thank God the power stayed on. Thought we were gonna die without power for a few days. People, there goes the heavy rain. Not doing Hulu tonight. I'm doing power. Power. Percentage. I'm not here to work. I'm here to show you my bungle. Get on my face. Alright, people. I want city power percentage. Alright, people, there it is. Alright, it says electricity from solar panels and wind farms. Accounted for at last 20% of the total power load in 10 states last year, according to a new report by Energy Information Administration, maybe. People, I hear wind. We're gonna lose power right now in 10 more minutes. There's that Hurricane Michael right here. I'll show you the wind speeds. What the freak is it? The yellow is coming to us. Alright. Alright, people, that'll be it for you guys, and keep it going, and I might do this video tonight, and goodbye.